going on, Rodders? Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be another episode for the Line Hustle series. We're going to be making a imitation of this sign here, H&H CLASSICS ink. Now this is half the sign. This was a two-part sign, so this is one part of it. It's a little broken, but my son really loves this sign. H&H CLASSICS was a car dealership in Vandalia, Ohio, where his grandpa used to work, and that's why we have part of this sign. And I'm gonna make a little mini version of this sign, doing the best I can do on a little piece of plexiglass. So let's go ahead and get on into it. So I got the first H down on the sign, as you can see. And then I just taped it on the plexiglass, so I'm painting on it reversed. That way when I flip it over, it will be facing the right way. Using the Ronan Specialty Paints 1-stroke lettering enamel. And just using this cheap brush from Walmart. So just synthetic hair brush. Here's the pack. I think it's like $4 at Walmart. But you get a good variety of brushes. So I don't have any lettering brushes right now. That's for lettering striping, but just trying it out with these brushes so you can see the letters of the sign. And I'll show you how I got them to be this size. If I didn't mention it, the Q-tip is just to clean up anything I get outside of the lines. So the iPad, I use this program if it'll focus called Procreate. When you click on it, there we have a picture of the original sign. And then I just add a new layer. And then that's where I trace it with the pencil. So then we can get it to print out. Because if you just try to do it with this, it's gonna be really fuzzy and not gonna be able to see it. And it would take a really long time to remove the background. You can do it, but it would take a while, and I'm not that good at it. So I just trace it, and then I save it as a new layer, and then I just print it out. Repeat the process. We have the H and H, and then we have the classics. At the end, we end up with something that looks kind of like this. So had to blow up the classics a little bit bigger and slice it and then try to match it up. But so here's what we ended up with. Not the best, but I think it'll be pretty good once we flip it over and look at it. Just gotta let everything dry and hope that it looks good. Before I go ahead and show you how the sign turned out, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys some of the cars that were at H&H Classics back in the day in Vandalia, Ohio. I thought it'd be kind of cool to show you guys some of the history behind the car lot. H&H Classics on an old drag car that they sponsored. There's another picture of one of their signs. A couple pictures of that sign in segments. They're definitely really cool. We ended up with H&H Classics ink. As you can see, it's a little faded on the letters because they weren't fully dry in some spots. So here you can see it's darker, and then the yellow, when I rolled it over, because I painted the back over the letters with Ronan Paints golden yellow, just like the real sign would have had. Color matched pretty good. I'm not sure what color they used on the original sign, but I guess it gives it that sort of vintage look. You can still read it, it's just kind of faded. Like I said, I didn't wait long enough for the paint to be fully dry, but still came out pretty decent for my first real project. My son already saw it and he definitely likes it still. The next thing I'm probably gonna do is get some wood or some sort of frame to be able to put on the plexiglass to be able to have it be hung up in his room. So now he has his own H&H Classics sign for his bedroom. So again, huge shout out to Ronan Paints for supplying the paint for this Line Hustle series. Really happy that we was able to partner with them, and they believed in me enough to send me some paint to give this series a shot. So I really appreciate it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and hopefully you guys stick around and see what other kind of things we can create. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you. If you like this kind of thing, go ahead and hit that like button and hit that subscribe so you guys can come back and see us again. See ya.